Next section, democratic and authoritarian mode of participation. Next section, democratic organizations. Terminology. The term comes from the Greek rule of the people. Vote. Can you define democracy? Form of government where a constitution guarantees basic personal and political rights, fair and free election, and independent court of law. Look at this picture, democracy. Elements of democracy. First, guarantee of basic human rights. Second, separation of power, including A. executive power, B. legislative power, C. judicial power. Three, freedom of opinion. Four, religious liability. 5, equal right to vote. 6, good governance. History of democracy. Ancient origins. Plato constructed democracy. Middle Ages, the first elected parliament was D. Manford's Parliament in England in 1265. Twentieth and 21st centuries. 20th century transition to liberal democracy have come in successive resulting from wars, World War I, World War II and revolution. Types of democracy. First, representative democracy. Second, parliamentary democracy. 3, liberal democracy, rule of law. 4, constitutional democracy. 5, direct democracy. 6, inclusive democracy. Theories of democracy. Aristotle, principle of democracy is freedom. Consumptions, aggregative democracy. Republic refers to a representative democracy with an elected head of state. Constitutional monarchs. Criticism on democracy. Popular rules as a facade. Wilfredo Pareto argued that democracy was illusory. Mob rule. Plato's full of variety and disorder. And dispensing a sort of equality. Political instability, next criticism. Frequent changes in the politics and policies. Thank you. Have a nice day.